everyone, Roy here. I just thought I'd share a nice story with you. This is Susie. I met her probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, and she stopped out at Northwind then, and she said, I'd like to become a gardener. And I said, wow, why is that now that you'd like to become a gardener? And I said, if you want to be a gardener, the best way to start is just come out here and start weeding and learn the plants. That's the best direction. So Susie, why was it you wanted to become a gardener?
Well, I've had, perennials in my yard for a number of years, and I think this year, like a lot of people, I've been able to spend a lot more time out in my yard.
Mm-hmm.
And, spending that time every day observing what's going on, I found that I had a lot more questions than, things that I actually knew. And I overheard Roy on Wisconsin Public Radio.
Oh, that's
talking,
right.
and
Larry Mueller show.
And I felt like, he's speaking to answers to these things I'm wondering about. And
You had a previous career?
yeah, I've done some graphic design and some,
So you're
done a lot of artwork
art-driven,
and yeah. And I think, but Roy's, you've just had.
I hit the right note in one of those comments or conversations.
Yes, you've just been so welcoming, and it's been great to come out here and see, what's going on from week to week, and it's really been, confidence building too.
Do you feel the interaction with the plants is helping them?
Yes, yeah, and seeing how they relate to each other, and what's going on at the ground level too.
And we changed a corner. We did a corner planting that was very messy. The Rebecca had flattened to the ground. So that was the last time you were here.
Mm-hmm.
So she was involved in changing the corner planting to get more substantial with Geranium magnificum and Deschampsia gold top. So you could see why we made the change and how the plants could affect that visual corner, not laying flat on the ground, but being more upright and stable to support the plant behind it. And that's, I have to say that's helpful, because that's basically how I learned. It wasn't from taking too many horticultural classes. In fact, I've only taken one in my whole life. But it's from letting the plants show me how they like to live and how they like to live together socially, and then putting together a composition. So I'm always glad you're here, and I have to say, with your passion, you're going to do a lot of things.
Thank you.